Good morning, student. Once again, we are here in the video session started by School of Scholar Malkapur. Student, we are discussing the first chapter of Standard 8, that is rational numbers. In it today, student, we are going to know about the real life application of the rational numbers. So, what is meant by real life application? So, student, till now we have discussed about the fundamental operations, how to apply it over on the rational numbers. We know that how to add the rational numbers, how to subtract the rational number, how to multiply, and even how to divide the rational numbers by applying their properties. Now student, it's time to apply these all the properties over on the word problems. So student, you will be introduced with the several word problems consisting multiple operations. So you need to understand the terms and the important points which are asked to you in the word problem, highlight the operations which is given over there, and then do apply the properties. You can use any suitable properties. We are here with some examples. First example we will discuss. Now you can see here. First example says, a submarine after traveling 100 km from the shore descended 110 km below the sea level. Means here the submarine is there at the corner of the sea level and it is traveling near about 100 km from it, and then that from that position it goes below the sea level. Descends means goes below the sea level 110 km below the sea level. Then it ascended about 305 km. Then again it is coming up from that position at upside 305 km. So the next day it again descended by 9 by 10 km. 9 by 10 km. What is the current position with respect to the sea level? What is the horizontal distance of the submarine from the seashore? So student, here is simple one thing we received in advance, that the horizontal distance from the seashore of that submarine will be as it is, because suppose you can see here, I will make the small picture. Suppose it is a seashore and from here it is and the submarine from this position it goes 100 km here, and from this position it is going at down. First is descends how much? 1, and that is 11 by 10 km converted into improper. And then from here it goes again up, that is how much? 3 and 5 km. 3 by 5 km. 3 by 5 km. Then again it goes at down, that is 9 by 10 km. So here, and you can see this horizontal distance will be constant from this and this. So the horizontal distance of that submarine from the seashore will be constant, that is of 100 km. So now student, how to solve this word problem? First we will mention here the important points which we have given. So now here the submarine, the distance between submarine and seashore is equal to 100 km. Now first descended how much descended it first? That is 1 and 1 by 10 km. That is equal with 11 by 10 kilometer, converted into improper. First ascended is equal to how much? 3 by 5 kilometer. Then student, next day descended is equal to how much? 9 by 10 kilometer. Now the final position will be, student, we have to do the subtraction of this one and this one, because first is descends, means first position it goes at the downside of sea level, again it comes up. Okay, so how much distance does it come up? That is 3 by 5 kilometer, and goes, that is 1 by 10 kilometer. So at the first day position will be subtraction of these two, and then again we have to add the next day descent. So we will receive the final position. Final position of submarine is equal to, so first I will represent this 11 by 10 minus 3 by 5 plus 9 by 10. Now student, here important points we come to know. Application. Now here we will apply the calculations and we will receive our answer. So now here in the bracket, subtraction 11 by 10, here the LCM of 10 and 5, that is 10. So 5 2s are 10 and 3 2s are 6. 11 minus 6 by 10 plus 9 by 10. So what we will receive, student? 5 by 10 plus 9 by 10 is equal to 5 plus 9 upon 10 is equal with 14 by 10, and simplification we will receive, that is 7 by 5 converted into makes 5 2s are 10, no sorry, 5 1s are 5 and 2, 1 and 2 by 5 kilometer, 1 and 2 by 5 kilometer. Okay, now what we can say, the current position of submarine is 1 and 2 by 5 kilometer, 1 and 2 by 5 kilometer. Like this you can show. And student, here the horizontal distance I have mentioned at the beginning only, the distance between submarine and a seashore, that is 100 kilometer. It means it is a horizontal distance and it will be constant at both the level, both the position. So now student, first question is over. Now we will move forward to the second question. Now student, here in this few examples we are discussing. Here in second question, a gold chain when packed in a decorative gift box weighs 80 and 1 by 6 gram. It means it is given that when you are after packing the gold chain into a box, the total weight is 80 and 1 by 6 gram. If the chain weighs 26 and 7 by 12 gram, what is the weight of the box? Means what is the weight of empty box? So here first we will mention in our answer the points which are given to us. So what points we have given? Total weight of box, with chain is equal to how much? It is given 80 and 1 by 6 gram. And the weight of chain, the weights of chain is equal to how much? 26 and 7 by 12 grams. So now student, we will receive weight of empty box will be obviously from total weight. It is total weight of the box including the weight of chain. So from total weight, if we will remove the weight of chain, obviously we will receive the weight of box only. So now what we can say here, we are getting the operation that is subtraction only. So here we will mention the weight of box. The weight of box is equal to total weight, that is 80 and 1 by 6 minus 26 and 7 by 12. So now here we are going to do the subtraction. So first we will have to do the convert it into improper. We will convert it into improper, then improper of it we will receive 8 6 are 48, 480 plus 1 481 upon 6 minus 12 multiplied by 26, it will give us 312 plus 7 319 upon 12. So now student, here you can simply observe the LCM of 6 and 12, that is 12. So here we have to multiply this rational number by 2. We will receive the next, that is 962 upon 12 minus 319 upon 12. So here we will perform the subtraction. Now subtraction, 962 minus 319 upon 12, the answer will be 643 upon 12. And now it is not divisible because 643 is not there in a table of 12. We can convert it into mix. So mix will be 53 and 7 by 12. So student, here it is a weight of the empty box. Here at the final sentence you have to write, here it is not a space, that's why. So by this we have solved these two examples. Third one is there student, you can observe here. A corridor is 67 by 7 meter long and 56 by 55 meter broad. So if this corridor has to be carpeted fully, what is the area of the carpet required? Now student, observe properly. Here it is a corridor. Suppose it is a corridor and this corridor need to be carpeted. Need to be carpeted means here we have to place the carpet. So the length is given 66 by 7 meter long and breadth is given of this corridor, that is 56 by 55 meter broad. Now student, obviously one thing is clear. If here you are going to place the carpet, so simple thing is there, area of corridor will be equal with the area of carpet. So now student, here in the answer we will mention length of corridor is equal to 66 by 7 meter and breadth of corridor is equal to 56 by 55 meter. Now student, as we come to know that area of corridor is equal with area of carpet. So now here we will find out the area of corridor. Area of corridor, that is length multiplied by breadth, as it is a rectangular, length multiplied by breadth. We will substitute the values, 66 by 7 multiplied by 56 by 55. So here can we simplify? Yes, we can simplify student. Cross division we can perform, that is 7 1s are 7, 7 8s are 56, 11 5s are 55 and 11 6s are 66. So it remains 6 multiplied by 8 upon 1 multiplied by 5. 6 8s are 48 upon 5. Now student, we will convert it into mix. 5 9s are 45 and gets remain 3 as it is. and meter square. This much carpet will require. Okay, what we can say, 9 and 3/5 square meter carpet will require to cover the corridor. Okay student, by these three example we come to know that how we can solve the examples consisting word problems consisting multiple operations related with the rational number. So student, we will discuss in more session, more example. You copy this example into your notebook, and here I am sharing with you and some examples. You do copy that examples, complete that examples, and share with me an homework. Thank you student, and have a good day.